If you need to remove these wiper arms from a Crown Victoria, there's only really one way to do it correctly. Step 1, turn your wipers on. Step 2 is going to be turn the key on, watch for the wipers, and then turn the key off when they're halfway up the windshield. Next, you want to mark their location, either with some painter's tape like this, or like a grease pencil or something, just so you know approximately where they are on the windshield. With them up on the glass like this, you can lift the wiper arm, which exposes the little lock tab, and you need a pick or a screwdriver usually to slide it out. And with the lock tab up, then you can lift the arm off. And since there's not really an easy way to show it on the car, this is the lock tab. And you can't really slide it up unless you have the windshield wiper on the glass and then pull up so the arm is coming this way, which basically you're bending this here, and that lock tab comes up and holds it in place. If I push it down, it'll lock back down. You can see the other side. That's how it's held on. And that's why you mark the glass, because there's not one way to put it on. There's an almost infinite way you can put it on. So to get it lined up the way you had it, that's why you mark the glass. To reinstall, you just want to line them up with your tape line. And like I said, you really want to make sure that you get it as close as possible. Because they are not really adjustable beyond that. So once you get it snapped into place, the only way to adjust it again is to take it off and start over. And so it's not infinite, but there are tons of little teeth on there, so if it's off, it'll be off somewhat drastically. I think that's where that one was. So once you got it on, you're happy with it, then bend it up and the lock tab will just snap back into place. And with your wipers turned off, just turn your key and they will quote unquote park. And then just take a look and make sure that they look about where you wanted them to be. If not, you can adjust them.